Hey everyone! In this video, I will teach you how to fix Squarespace domain forwarding not working error, and why this happens. So, after setting up domain forwarding in Squarespace, you might expect it to start working right away. But sometimes, the redirect doesn't kick in, even after 15 or 30 minutes. If that's happening to you, here's why and what to do next. First, don't panic. This is completely normal. As per thumb rule, forwarding changes may take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. So if it's been just few minutes and you're not seeing the redirect happen yet, give it a little more time. Now, let's do a few quick checks. Step 1. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes your browser is still holding the old DNS or page data. Try opening your site in an incognito tab or clear your cache and reload. Step 2. Try it on mobile or a different network. If the redirect works elsewhere, it means your DNS is still updating locally. Step 3. Check DNS records again. Go to Settings, Domains, DNS Settings. Make sure there are no leftover A records or C names for the same subdomain you're forwarding, like www. Even one leftover record can block forwarding from working. Step 4. Confirm your rule was saved properly. Go back to the website forwarding section and double-check that your rule is listed. The correct URL is entered and SSL is enabled if needed. Still not working after an hour or two? Try removing the forwarding rule, saving it, and then re-adding it from scratch. This can sometimes reset the redirect configuration. And lastly, wait it out. Full DNS propagation with SSL can genuinely take a few hours depending on your ISP and location. Domain forwarding on Squarespace is easy, but it's not instant. Give it some time, more time. Hope this helped. Now, please like this video and subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.